Morning Magneteers, we've got some guests with us today. We've got Shannon, we've got Tails, morning. We've got Jack,
Hello.
and we've got Ray.
Hi.
And in the distance down there is Grumpy Stuart. Hey, wave. There he is. He's down there doing a bit on his own because he smells a bit this morning. We'll get more magnet in and we'll start doing a bit.
Hey, got a penny.
Hi. Yeah.
Yeah? Same one, I think. Got loads of pennies. My goal is to get £1 by the end of the year. Just stood there. Come on with big nose. And he's just had that. Shopping trolley bar. Give it a clean.
Hello guys, yep, we're out today doing our bit along the nice stretch of canal. As you can see in the background we've got Ray, and we'll just take you down and show you some of what we've got already. Spin you around. Got a few bits in there, nice head shears, and here he is, the man of the moment once again.
Hi Stuart.
Say morning to everyone.
Good morning.
There you go. And you had anything nice?
Not really, two shopping trolleys.
Well, you know, it's a canal in the middle of a town, so what do you expect? Right behind us we've got a Sainsbury's store, so we're expecting to find quite a bit of shopping trolleys. Jack, say hello.
Hello.
And like we said, we're behind the Sainsbury's store, we're expecting to find a lot of shopping trolleys.
With a Tesco trolley.
With a Tesco, with a Tesco seat. Smile for the camera.
Morning campers.
And so far we've had a Ben 10 bike pulled out by moi. So yes, I've actually got a bike. And then we've got mangled up shopping trolleys.
I've got a razor blade.
We do have a nice piece of kit, but it didn't come out of the canal. We've now got that to cut all the stuff home in.
Dad, I've got a razor blade.
Kindly sponsored to Kingfisher Magneteers by Andy.
More than welcome.
So yeah, now we can haul more scrap. So we might be out a bit more often. And here's a few of the finds that we've had so far. Yeah, a couple of shopping trolley handles. Jack's just had a nice lantern. We think that is the back off the blue trolley that Jack got last week. And yes, once again Jack has got a fork, and no doubt 95% of what's on here is Jack again. If he carries on today, he's going in for a swim. I'm telling him, because seeing as we have that nice rubber ring, it doesn't matter whether we push him in or not.
We haven't got it wet yet, we've got to try it out.
I'm only joking. Smile for the camera. What'd you do? Put your thumb up and go, morning.
Morning.
That's it. No, your thumb, not your finger.
That is my
Oh, it's your glove. It looked like your thumb was sticking in the air then. How rude. Got a bit of bar. Some old head shears. Ray's donated this to our tool chest. Anything tool wise that we're getting out, we're going to give them a clean up, keep them into a toolbox, and that way when we come magnet fishing we've got tools to use. Then I've got this, I don't know what it is, but take it home, give it a clean up, have a look. There we go. Bit of plate. And the Sainsbury's handle. We'll just swing you around a little so that you can see my gorgeous body. Yeah, I'm about there. There's not much point in doing a magnet fishing video without a bit of eye candy, is there? Got a big hunk of magnetic rock. And seeing as we like our magnetic rocks, that's coming home. Yeah, I forgot to mention, we do have 2 other guests that you haven't seen yet. But I've sent them round the shop because I'm starving, so they've gone to get my breakfast. As soon as I get back, I'll get them to come and say hello. Periodically you'll hear Ray going, ah, and that's because he keeps getting stuck on the side. Got a nice pair of pliers. We'll get them home later and crack them open and just split them in a bit. Morning.
Hi guys.
I got a penny, but it's stuck to my magnet, and I can't get it off. It's the trouble with these Beast Extremes. Everybody knows how I love my bottle tops, but unfortunately, it's too far gone. It's a solid bit of bar. Not sure if it's an oil filter or a gas canister. My guess is oil filter because of the little black seal around the bottom. You decide, put it in the comments. Bit more scrap plate. Looks like we got the old Morris Minor frisbee disc. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna see if I can give it a clean up. Crack in. There we go, guys. Oh. Yay! I found Neil's Zimmer frame. I know I said when they get back from the shop they'll come down, but obviously they don't want to be on my videos. They'd rather be on Andy's. There you go, Neil and Shannon are here, and I found his Zimmer.
Just a small bit of bar.
Let's cut this out. Looks like it goes on your mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's cut that out. Big old bucket. Just got some more iron. Hopefully we can smelt it. Minecraft joke. Vroom vroom. It's got a bike candle. A bike candle. With the brake. Brake still kind of works. Cool. Let's got these. Put them in the big old bucket. Just add that out. Don't know what it is. It's got a hole in it. It looks like a dinosaur head with an eye, with a beak. And yeah, don't know what it is. We'll see what it is. Look back in there. Just add that out. Looks like a mouth with a long neck. That's where the body would be. Body. And part of a shopping trolley.
And back to the normal same.
Just like this. Not but cool.
No, I've gone and got the basket. And yeah, it's Sainsbury's. Who'd have guessed? Bit of a G-clamp. Here we go, guys, another bit of shopping trolley.
Tell me when.
Every time he goes out. Oh, Raymond!
$177.
Got a nice design on it.
Yeah.
It's like
yeah.
camouflaged.
Yeah. I can hide in the bushes for you, Stuart.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
Maybe for a few weeks. Give us a chance.
Nice one.
When is he ever going to learn? Bit of scrap. And another 12 pence. Doing well money wise. I'll give it a count in a minute. So far, guys, I got 31 pence. It's the most I've ever had. So yeah, I'm impressed. Might be able to get a sandwich or a bit of petrol on the way home. There we go, it's a half decent Heineken cap. Oh, just a bit.
That's it, Mr. James, keep on going. Yeah.
I'm not sure what this is, guys, but it's round. It's not a track explosive according to Ray because it's too big, but I'm not sure. I'm going to take it home, let it dry out and have a look. I hope it's not a track explosive. Could be a little spaceship.
Guys, we've just had 2 tyres, 2 phones, well no, 2 lighters, whatever that is, I struggle, I could feel like it was pulling on the magnet then we got a penny, and this. Been having loads of those out. So yeah, them, 2 tyres and a phone. Forgot to say yes, we did get a phone. Yeah, we've had quite a lot. See what Brad gets out on his first day actually. You know, for you guys, just up here. And let's just put you there. There we go. See you later.
Right, I think if we get on that, that's our stuff. Right.
Is that it?
Oh, that. Still coming. Hang on. Right, let go a minute. No, it's caught on the side. Let back a bit. Which way? Here. All that for the bloody pond.
Just the ball.
Could have been worse. It could have been a safe full of money.
That is well and truly itself.
That's ridiculous, isn't it? And there's a water slide on it. There's a slide on it.
Right, guys, we're going to start the video from here and show you this. Thank you for not taking your trolley beyond this point. I've had to laugh at that. Right, we've literally walked quite a way, and there you go, should bring it back in focus a little bit more. Right, we've done from this point here, and we're going all the way down. I mean, you can see the guys in the distance. Cleaned as much as we can all the way down here. We're now starting at 2:45 to tidy up. I've been doing along here. We've picked up as much rubbish as we can as well, so it's not just the canal finds that we've got. Yeah, we've got a few bits to pick up. We've got a couple of buckets are there. That's my nice finds, which I want to do a bit of a clean up. There's my scrap bits. Yeah, you know, thank you for not bringing your trolleys past that point. I don't know whether they want to put a barrier up or put up a bigger sign, but something's clearly not working. And it's a raised big pole. Make what you like of that one.
Is that yours?
Yeah, that's my bit.
That's okay.
And there's the reprobate. Yeah, so far, as you can tell, where those people are down there, that's where we've just started. And then we've got one box, got a few bits down here. And we've got a little bit just of here. Yeah, look at the smiley face. And he didn't even get tickled. And there's that one.
What's the name?
What's the name?
Who do we flip?
Tonight, Matthew, I want to be... Oh God, it's Shannon. There's another bike.
Down here, Jack.
There's problems.
Had enough today, we're going home.
Bigger problems. And we've got my bike. Yeah. You know, as if I couldn't have got like a bigger bike, I had to get the smallest one. There's a few more. We're going to start getting cut up because we reckon it's going to take a while. And then we got that. Yes, you saw it last week. You're seeing it again this week. And there's Ray's little bits. Oh, hang on a minute. You're trying to trip me up? You're trying to trip the public up? And yeah, and I'll bring you back in a bit because we've got a few bits down that end, and bring you back and show you that it's nice and completely tidy and done and dusted. Catch it in a bit.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Right then guys, here we go. I'll show you the walk down. Everything's gone. Andy's already started taking the trailer back. I've got a few items in the back of mine. Ray's got his stuff in the back of his. There he is.
Hello.
And then, there we go. It's all nice and tidy so far. We've still got a nice walk to go. We've got to go round the corner. Someone's left a bike lent up against the wall, so we might have that as well. Only joking.
No, we'll ride it back.
Yeah, the guy's having coffee, so. But yeah, all nice and tidy. We have been round, picked up the rubbish from the edges as well. Somebody has left a pushchair by the entrance. But there you go, you heard it first. Ray's taking a pushchair. Repurposed as a lounger in the back garden.
Yeah.
And there you go. Everywhere we've been today is all cleaned and tidied. Like I say, we took the litter as well. You saw the lovely sign that Sainsbury's had out. I showed you that earlier. And yeah, not sure how much more there is to come out, but I think the next time we come over, we'll just start from this entrance and work our way back again. So there you go, that's the walkthrough. We do like to be responsible, and now that I've done that little walk, I'm going to sit down for a minute. Yep, there we are, at the back of Sainsbury's, and yeah, we've had the walkthrough. Took everything. I'm glad that this week that we've turned up and there's nothing of anybody else's, so that's a bonus compared to last week. And yeah, what more can we do? We've got the stuff out, it's all loaded. I'll show you the trailer when I get back to mine and show you how full it is with everything that we've got. We've even had, was it 4 tyres and 1 rim, and like I said, we'll show you when we get back to mine, so we'll catch you in a bit. Hello guys, I said I'd show you what we've got, and here it is, our new trailer full of everything that we had out yesterday. It's quite a bit. Yeah, we've had to throw the old sheet of tarpaulin over the top just to keep it weathered, just in case, you never know, British weather. But yeah, nice and strapped down. There's all the trolleys. It's there we go. We've got that pile there. We got that pile there. Plus, that tub's full. So we'll just have to wait and see what we can get out of this lot. Who knows? Could be doing another tip run video on Saturday. Just to let you know what we're doing. So there you have it, guys. We'll catch you next weekend, hopefully. Right guys, here we go with some thank yous to the people that have subscribed recently. We've got, yeah, you know me, I can't read properly. We got Jade Jones, Williams 1980, Berry Teresa, Starries Lost and Found, Bold Lion, Zithium, and a young lads is a bit of a shout out for this one. Don't know whether he subscribed, but he was along the canal with us on Sunday and spoke to us about magnet fishing, so we said we'll just give him a shout out. He had a sticker and a card, so yeah, and there we go. Ross, we just made you famous, more famous than us probably. So yeah, that was this week. That was a big pile of scrap that we had. I think it's going to benefit us having the trailer now. We're not going to be wrecking our cars by loading everything in. There was a few items that we had to put in the car this week that I didn't show you. Basically four tyres. So that's just made the wife happy, because that means there's more garden projects that she wants to do. More work for me, because I've now got to cut them and shape them. But yeah, why not? It repurposes the stuff. It just means we haven't got to keep throwing it away. And bit of a sad end to this week. My daughter Shannon, still part of Kingfisher Magneteers. I thought I'd get that one in. But she's leaving home and moving to Northampton. A lot of people might have heard recently, but she's dating Tails from Sonic and Tails. So yeah, I don't mind. He's a great guy. I've not seen Shannon this happy for a very long time. It's a bit sad for me, because back in April, well, last September, we started magnet fishing together, and then we decided in April to start the YouTube, and I got very mixed emotions about not being able to magnet fish with her. We'll still get together, but it's not going to be every week like we have been, and it's a bit emotional, to be honest. Not only not having her around home, but to just not have that Sunday that we go out magnet fishing. Hopefully she'll pick up on a new adventure. She may still very well do some magnet fishing in Northampton, and hopefully send me some footage of what she's doing down there, so that I can keep you guys posted of her adventures. I would just like to wish both of them the very best of luck for the future. Neil, you're going to need it. But yeah, I'm putting a brave face on things, but inside it's ripping me apart. Having Daddy's little girl, my little princess, go, and yeah, that's all I'm going to say about that before I make myself look stupid. Cheers guys, see you next week.